Hajj as a medium of communication and calling to Islam. Hajj is not just one of the pillars of Islam, an icon of emigration to Allah to accelerate united Muslims from various parts of the world. Nor is the objective behind prescribing it merely aim from adherence to the true religion. In truth, Hajj is also an important tool of Islamic da'wah, innovation to Islam, and a powerful medium of communication. Hajj is one of the means of communication specific to Islam. Hajj is the largest international conference on the face of the earth, the annual convention of faith and the greatest gathering of humanity ever. Muslims from every corner in the globe met in Hajj. Allah to exercise what mean and proclaim to people to Hajj pilgrimage. They will come to you on foot and on every line camel. They will come from every distant fast. Quran 22 sampai Allah the Almighty called for two greatest and largest gathering. The greatest conference what is Hajj. Muslims from every place on earth assemble in Mecca during Hajj. In response to call of Allah the Excel, they migrate to their Lord with laying hair, leaving their parents and families, and detaching themselves slowly to worship. They observe the rites that Allah prescribed as they are commanded. What you changing are neglecting and obeying. Has as a word important on the heart of Muslim. It solidifies their beliefs and guarantees peace and tranquility within their hearts. The prophets performed Hajj in order to show Muslims to do ritual of Haji and Umrah, and underline the Hajj rites which are considered a means of da'wah to Islam. The first man of da'wah in Haji is common with the pilgrim repeat its with humble and submissive heart to her Lord. Among the manifestations of the Islamic da'wah that are associated with Haji. Number one, circumambulation around the Kaabah 7 rounds. Number two, standing in Arafah watch and be likened to a great conference and convention of faith where Muslims from every corner the globe meet. Number three, talbiyah, saying labaik Allahumma labaik, labaik la syarika labaik. Oh Lord, here I am to you Allah, here I am to worship you, here I am to respond to you. There is not partner with you, very price bonds, and domination belonging to you. There is not partner with you. And takbir, saying Allah, Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest. These are completion and quality and that and to polygram. The repetition of this melodious definition can serve as an effective media technique to instill the meaning of the Islamic monotheism and obedience to Allah, the Almighty deep within the hearts. Number 4. Throwing the dribble is also an effective technique to define the concept of Satan's enmity against man. This ritual symbolizes expression man repugnance for the devil. Number 5. Size button is As-Safa and Al-Marwah. Consension and wonderful act what I'm enhancing Muslim communication and adherence to religion and other Lord. Hajj as a proud, informed, and Muslim would develop better and stronger definition and relation to the private. And combination to has sunnah tradition or any benefit of Haji aside from worship. There is no both the possible gainers in spirit time and place have their to pretend benefit humankind. Some of the benefits of Hajj are enabling in trade and exchange of material goods, as well as the exchange of commercial, spiritual material, and use. Muslim soul says is of worship, utility primarily, and make full use of it. It is in combination that is operate to Muslim to benefit from this powerful Islamic means of communication. Perhaps this is meant by the first word or what man that they will means benefits of themselves.